Father's Day to all of the dad, and Happy Father's Day to me. Okay? Football's so good today. It's still counting. Wow.
Wait.
1,000 tickets, man.
My powers.
Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
It was fantastic to be a father. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are at the Tachi Palace. And this is the food. What's this? Tri-tip?
Yeah.
And nacho. Keep-ball cannot wait. Huh, Keep-ball? Can't wait? Okay. Okay, you get chips right now. Go ahead, eat it. No, don't do that. Keep up. I could call it Happy Father's Day. That's right.
Hey, Coco.
Mula, I can't see you.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all of the dad, and Happy Father's Day to me. Okay? See, you got anything to say?
Happy Father's Day to everyone. That's it, Dad.
That's it.
My powers.
Ryu. Got a halo here. Hey, somebody won. So you want something? What happened? You got 3? Let me see. What happened? Give on, let me see, You got 3? Let me see, Ma. Wow. Keep on 1 again. Last time he did good. What's the price? What number? 100. Oh, 300. 300, CA. 300. Wow. Ball. 1. What you get this time? Let me see. 6. That's 60. That's 600.
600, man.
Stop moving. I can't even film. You move too fast. Okay, it's good. Man, I missed it again. CA, what you get, CA? I missed it. What you get? Oh, look at that. Good job, CA. Can you? He's not even looking. What do you mean, look? Keep-ball got 1,000 tickets in this machine. See? And they're still counting. Look.
Look at your number.
Keep-ball. You got look. You got 1,000 tickets. Keep-ball. Good job, Keep-ball. Keep-ball's doing good today. See? Keep-ball's so good today. It's still counting. Wow.
Wait.
1,000 tickets, man. 1,000 tickets. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
Keep-ball.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
What's name called?
He's in there, one of those machines.
Okay.
No.
Still counting.
Wow.
Look at the number. Look. What does it say?
Man, you get more.
1,000.
And 9. No, he got faster at 9.
Good job, Keep-ball. Look, Keep-ball. Good job.
My powers.
What?
Yeah, very game.
Sure. Only one price, right?
Pick one price only, can you? Milan, what you get, Milan? Let me see. The price. All right. Keep on. What'd you get? Your price. Let me see your price. What's that? Okay.
I got.
Milan, show me your price.
I
No.
got 2 prices.
Let me see. Here you go, Milan. You like your prize?
Yeah, you can one on the back side.
What do you do? Gotta memorize it? Gotta memorize it?
Call.